Hello all, welcome to the garage again. So today's project is going to be a little set of stools for the hot tub. I've got my 1x4 piece of cedar, got the handy chop saw, square pencil, whole bunch of little screws, screwing them together, and of course tape measure and the always powerful DeWalt impact. So I've already done my measurements. I'm just going to make them about 18 inches wide, just enough to put my butt on. And the bottom of the tub isn't that big anyway, so yeah, I'm going to bust these out and you guys can tag along. Thanks for watching, guys. I got my 3 top boards cut. I'm just going to make it 3 boards wide. I don't need it that much. And then I got to build it a little couple legs. I'm just going to get it down 3-4 inches off the bottom of the tub so you're not, squatting down in there. So what I need to do is make a square piece underneath to screw these to. And then I'll cut some little legs later. But that'll be our next step. I'm not really worried about dimensions or anything. I'm just making this to my own sizes. So I'm just trying to use the wood efficiently. When it's cedar. It's pretty expensive up here. So there we go. And now that I'm thinking about it, I'm not even going to do legs. I could put legs on later, but I want to see how high this is. And this uses exactly 1 board. So as long as I copy this over again, I have 2 seats. And that'll work. And then I'll see if I'm going to put legs on them. So we're just repeating the process. Alrighty, let me put this away real quick. Okay, so we got our tops, our bottoms. Now the thing with cedar is, cedar comes rough cut or smooth cut. And I don't want to be sitting on the rough cut. So everything going out is going to be smooth cut. And the reason we're using cedar is it doesn't rot in water. So as long as I screw these suckers together, I can screw my other boards right to the tops of them and we're pretty much good to go. Another trick, and again, one of my favorite things is a clamp. So I can clamp these together tighten them up. Check my corners. And now, it'll be way easier to screw it together than trying to balance this on the thing. And like if you're just going to do this, yeah, you don't have any strength. You're doing this. Just like that. Bam, bam, screws. You're good. Oh. And we'll put these down here so we're not resting on my clamp. Yeah, I mean, other than minor stability issues. Alright, we're going to have to, I want to pre-drill these because we're going to crack the boards. Doesn't take much. Just a little pilot hole so it doesn't want to split these boards.